Hi, this is a video just to demo and explain our learning management system that we make available to our clients that we take through a learning journey with their particular employees. It's a great way to help any client and their employees to support learning and development that we have been doing through either assessments or workshops. And we make a customized product available to a client where we build all of the content onto this particular module, and via email, everyone gets incorporated and included in the back end. And your employees can go through the content at their own time, whenever they want to, 24/7, throughout the period that we negotiate with our clients. So this video is just to explain and demo the product to you, because it's really tricky to just, talk about it unless we demo it. So it makes it just a lot more applicable. So this is a current module that we've got for a particular client, and I'll just show you briefly what it looks like. This particular module has 39 lessons. It depends on what we do with a client. It can be anything from 2 or 3 to 50, it depends on the particular journey or the needs of the client. So just briefly, what you are seeing is the front end, what your particular employees will be shared or what they will have available to use. So here's just introduction, welcome to the training, about your facilitators, outlines and objectives. So we're very clear why are we doing it and what do we want to build from that. With this client, we did a scoreboard. As we try to do scoreboards, how do we motivate and engage clients to get to participate? It depends from client to client again. Module 1 is SurveyMonkey. There's always surveys that we complete with a client pre or post or during our intervention processes, as it is really important to determine what are people's needs and where are you at from any kind of performance or wellness or engagement point of view. Module 2 for this particular client is the Sensory Matrix. This is the one assessment that we use. For some clients, it might be Senses at Work, which is another assessment that we have available. I'm going to briefly just show this without going into detail. With this client, what is the assessment all about? What does it mean? We use the Sensory Tree with the Sensory Matrix. What does it mean? And then we also update the client's details here. There you can see everyone's scores. I'm just briefly going through it. So whichever type of assessment you would choose to do in your particular module, those assessments in group format will also be positioned at the back end for people to work through. As your employees leave, we will remove them from the group report. As new ones come in, we will add them to the report. A briefly one here, remote working. There you can see remote working content, reflection and assessments. Maybe just let me show you the digital fatigue one, how to reduce digital fatigue. I'm just showing you. This here is a video. It's got 55 minutes worth of video content, which is the live workshop that we've done with this particular client. I'm not going to start it, but it would be a video that people can rewatch. Here's the content. What does it mean? And just a summary of the content. And what's nice here is there are comments. So your staff can leave comments and we can answer or reply to their comments, particularly if it is in a question format. So there was a question and then, there was a comment that we've added to it. If there's obviously not a question, then we don't comment, which is a really nice way to be able to engage further with your employees on the learning management system. Just briefly, wellness. So you will see each theme have got a video for content, anything that we might want to add, and then reflection and assessment. For instance, here we've got reflection and assessment. We also have a Healthy Habits for Wellness game. We have games, which is kind of a questionnaire format associated with all of our content. So all of your employees can start it here. They will run through the assessment and then it will also give them a score. And here's just reflection and assessment. Again, there were 17 comments where people added their input or asked their questions. With this client, there was just another reflection session, communication. And this client even have a second page remote working barriers, work-life balance, resilience. This little section, cognitive, mental, and physical fitness, it was some internal feedback on what contributions the team made, what worked for them, and how they shared that with the rest. And we've uploaded the videos there. Managing remote teams, additional tips. Okay, so hopefully that have added some information for you on what does this the learning management system look like, and how can we use this with your particular staff. I think I've stopped sharing. So hopefully that has given you some information. As I say, very much customized based on your needs. All of your employees have access 24/7, and we can really create an ongoing, sustainable learning opportunity for your staff through the learning management system. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.